Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the world of pirate fashion with the KYKU Pirate Costume Men's Shirt. If you've ever dreamed of sailing the high seas or just want to add some swashbuckling style to your wardrobe, this might be the shirt for you. Let's see if it lives up to the legend of Captain Jack Sparrow himself. The KYKU Pirate Costume Men's Shirt is designed for those who love pirate-themed parties, cosplay, or just making a bold statement. Made from a blend of 95% polyester and 5% spandex, it promises comfort and durability. The shirt features a striking 3D print graphic of classic pirate motifs, including skulls, swords, and treasure maps. First off, let's talk about the design. The 3D print is vibrant and detailed, perfect for standing out at any pirate gathering. The fabric is soft and breathable, making it suitable for extended wear during themed events or even casual outings. According to the manufacturer, the shirt fits true to size. Whether you're slender or tall, there's a size that should accommodate your frame comfortably. The polyester spandex blend ensures it's not only comfortable but also easy to care for. Just toss it in the washing machine and you're good to go. Beyond just costume parties, this shirt is surprisingly versatile. Pair it with jeans or shorts for a laid-back pirate look, or get creative and layer it under a vest or coat for a more elaborate ensemble. It's designed to be worn in various settings without compromising on style or comfort. In conclusion, the KYKU Pirate Costume Men's Shirt lives up to its promise of bringing a bit of pirate flair into your life. Whether you're gearing up for a costume party or just want to channel your inner Captain Jack Sparrow, this shirt delivers on both style and quality. If you're intrigued by what you've seen, I've left a link in the description below where you can check out more details and maybe even pick one up for yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on products like this. Thanks for joining me on Product Critique. Until next time, may your fashion choices be as adventurous as your spirit. Farewell, me hearties.